So I got everything marked. I'm just doing like a random, just marked out 800 spots kind of consistently across the whole back of the headliner here. Now I'm just gonna poke a bunch of holes and start adding them all. So I got two, I'm just running two kits just because I'll be able to hide these in the, like run them down the side of the pillars pretty easily. Just put one on each side and then that way they should be pretty easy and out of the way. So I'll poke all these holes and just hot glue them on the back, I guess. So I got them all installed. This was an 800 strand kit. So I just kind of randomly spaced them out. And then, I don't know if you can see here, hot glued them all to the back. So next, I think I'm just gonna put it in the truck and then I'll just trim them once it's in the truck. I think I'm going to run, since it's two different kits, just run them down each side of the pillar on the middle. I was thinking about running through the back pillar, but I think going down the middle pillar will be the best, but we'll see how it looks once it's in the truck, yes. But so I got the headliner installed now, and I trimmed all of the strands, just so you can, I don't know if you can see there, but it just trimmed them flush, cut them off flush. And then I ran all the strands down and hooked up the controller, one on each side. It actually fits in there pretty good. So it's kind of the way. I just saw there's too much going on in the back here. So now we'll just run a wire to key switch power. And same with I'm gonna hook up heated seats too. So I'll probably run them on the same wire. So now I can add all the rest of the pieces. I gotta paint a couple other ones and start to come together.